I've always been interested in cosmetology and styling hair.
I want to be a cosmetologist when I get out of college.
It seemed like so much fun.
And the teacher is great.
She would come and show me how to correctly part hair.
She teaches you a lot. She goes into detail. It's probably one of the funnest out there. Miss Chanel, she's one of the coolest instructors.
We always did hands-on work before we studied, so it'll be easier. She's awesome. One of the best teachers I have.
Oh, it's so much fun. I highly recommend going. You learn so much about hair, and you could definitely get a job, make some money in your own village also.
It's something different. Not a lot of people have like barbers up in Barrow, like up in the villages. It would be something different I could do and try to start my own little business.
It was an amazing experience.
Go 'cause it's fun.
Heck yeah, you gotta go and do it, 'cause it's fun.